we go. Hi there, this is Junaid Islam. Welcome back to Santana Row. It's May, it's getting kind of hot. I'm with Mahbubul Alam, our expert AI developer. So Mahbubul, a lot of young people are getting into AI coding and struggling. So what would you say are the biggest mistakes young people who are just getting into GPU and agents are making?
I see three common mistakes. Number one is a lazy prompt. And lazy prompt is a prompt that is not defining what is the role the prompt has to play, what is the constraint that you don't want it to be, and how do you want the result to be provided as. Is it a PowerPoint slide, is it a document, is it a code? Define that. Number two is doubling down on the constraint. Say, I don't want you to do X, Y, and Z, like do not hallucinate. And ask me the question if I'm not clear, get clarification from me before you do the output. Number three is do not treat all models as same, because each model has a unique advantage or specialize in certain things. For example, one is for generating amazing images, the other is great for writing code and documents, and the other one might be all-purpose model. So understand those things.
Great,
You'll do great.
So if you're new to AI coding, remember the three things. First, think through your prompt before you type it in. Second, put in the boundaries and constraints of the answer you want. And three, really get to know all the different frontier models and what each one is good at, so you know how to select. And with that, you'll be a lot better. Put in your questions in the comment section and we'll answer it on the next video. Thanks a lot for showing up.
Thank you.
All right.